Good morning, everyone. It is Patty's Hobby World. I hope you have your tea and your coffee or whatever it is that you're drinking this morning. I woke up to sunshine and blue skies after I don't know how many days of rain, but we sure needed it. But now the sun is out and it is very, very humid out there. So let's finish up our sister bridesmaids and get on with the mother of the bride. So I know that you guys are aware that I said I was going to do her in black hair. This is the best. This is the best I could do without losing all the curves, the curls. So I think this is going to be it right here, and I'll continue to learn. How to get darker and darker and darker. But let's finish up with her hair. So let's get, her flowers. So let's get our number 10. Number 10 pencil. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Because we're going to stay within the theme. Everyone's going to have that pretty 118. And here. So that's the front funner 118 and the front funner 110. And let's get started. Just going to take a sip of this coffee. And here we go. Highlight area. I may go darker, yes. As I know some of you are, hey, she didn't bring out her so very good. I don't know what type of flower this is. I was looking, I was in last night. I was like, I wonder what flower. I know it's not a chrysanthemum. I know it ain't. I know it ain't that. But I was going to search. So if anybody knows what type of flower this is. Okay, just a light dusting. Okay. And then we will go to medium. And I'm going to get in the crevices here without first. See that? And I need to sharpen my pencil. Create some lines. Use this grayscale to your advantage. It'll teach you how to shade and achieve the desired look you're looking for. I went shopping for coloring books last night, and I got my color morphia. I've been inspired by Trisha's coloring world. I believe I have it right. She did. There's one page that has Anubis. And I think that she did such an amazing job. And I looked all on the internet for completed pages of this Anubis coloring, and I had seen some amazing finished pages. Amazing finished pages. And I still think hers is the best. Yeah. And I want to make sure I got her channel name right. Trish Coloring. I'll look it up. I'll look it up for you. Alright, so we're creating depth to catch these layers. Catch the folds. A bit of dark. Let's create a little just. Let me see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, we're perfect. Oh, look at we forgot one up here. Well, let's give this a little shade. Get a little bit more over here. Okay, and over here. Okay, and over here. I hope everyone had a good night. As we should all be asking each other. If we've had a good evening. Hold on everyone, take a sip of your tea and your coffee. I have to plug my sharpener in. I forgot to plug it in. I was so eager to get ready to get to work. All right. Nice and sharp, that's what I'm talking about. It's like a surgeon and his instruments. They have to be so sharp. I think you can go on YouTube and find out exactly how sharp they have to be. But they're nothing like we use in our everyday cooking utensils or hunting knives or anything like that. These are premium gauged steel or even other materials. That will slice skin so cleanly you won't leave it. There you go. 118. And like I said, we don't want deep colored flowers. Today's a beautiful sunny day. This is a beach, ocean destination wedding. And I forgot where we were, destination was. Oh, do you remember? Put it in the comments. I think it is Greece, Santorini. I've always wanted to go there, and I will. I used to say I hope. Try not to say I hope. I'm planning for it. You know what I mean? When you want to do something, it requires planning, commitment, a little bit of sacrifice. Because if you have to save for it, like I do, but it can be done. It can be done. All right, I think that is good. All right, how's that? Somebody the other day said, oh no, you need to color these, the tips, you know, pink, or, you know, color them in. And I said, no, I don't want to do that. But I will, let's just give a couple of them a little touch. How about that? Give them some shade. Okay. And I think we're going to do the little berries in the middle. I am pulling out my brick red because I think I'm going to do brick. Just I need to use a marker to create just a little bit more depth to her berries. Of course, I'm going to leave some of it white. How's that? Or not berries, the pollinating pods for the bees and the butterflies. There, that's enough. I don't want to do no more. All right, everyone. This is the oldest sister, sister bridesmaid. She is now ready for the wedding at a beach destination in Santorini, Greece. Everyone else is coming along just fine. Everyone's waiting. It's got a few more hours before the wedding's going to start. Everyone's ready except the bride and the mother of the bride. Grandma's waiting and the matron of honor. Okay? You can watch all of these coloring tutorials on my YouTube channel, Patty's Hobby World, of course. And if you noticed, I tried using, in each hairstyle, I tried using a different hair color, okay? So there you have it. Let's see what we have going on now. Here is the mother of the bride. Well, you tell me what color hair we should do her. I think I'm going to do her blonde. Not a strawberry blonde. I think I'm just going to try to achieve a really yellow blonde for her. All right. Once again, thank you so much for watching my channel and subscribing. And thanks to all of my subscribers and my viewers. Stay inspired, even when you're having a bad day, like I did a couple of days ago with my lupus and my vascularitis. And we'll talk more about that. But stay inspired and color, color, color.